Hey guys, Aaron here with For the Love of Tech, and what if I told you there was a way to turn your Apple Pencil into an actual pencil? Stick around and find out exactly how we're going to do that. Here we go. Here is our Dbrand skin. Let's go ahead and get this thing opened up and see the insides. So in the box we have got the actual pencil. We have what appears to be the wooden part, the metal part, and the eraser part. You're thinking, what do we do with all these parts, Aaron? And I'm like, all right, internet, let me show you. Before we get started, don't forget to get your blow dryer because we're gonna need it. I would suggest grabbing yourself a little eyeglass wipe or something and just cleaning this off before you actually start getting into sticking things on. First things first, we have to start with the wooden part, which is the tip of the pencil. Now, Dbrand is awesome, so they actually sent two different sets all together. So in case you mess up, you can do it over again. So here is the pencil part. Now you have to remember and put it on the right way. You're gonna wanna get it as absolutely perfect as you can in order to make that nice, good pencil look. All right, so I have it on and I'm just gonna start over here, pressing down and wrapping it on. So there we go. So here's the first example of what we're gonna do with the blow dryer. Before we start smashing those down and making the wrinkles basically permanent on the skin, we're gonna heat it up. Since all of your contents are down here, I suggest that you heat up going away from it upwards so that way you don't blow your stuff everywhere. All right, so it heated up. The plastic should be a little bit more adhesive, sticky, and more malleable, meaning it's gonna do what we want it to do. Here's the first part of the installation, which actually came out really good. I'm really happy with this. Next is going to be the silver piece. Gonna take this and wrap it right below the wood portion. Slowly wrapping it around. It's no hurry to get this done, so take your time and make sure you are happy with the results. If you are not happy with the results, Dbrand gives you extras. Rip it off and start over. That's why they do it, because they want you to be happy. There it is. Starting to shape up like a pencil. Now we're going to do the actual pencil itself. Got it on one side, slowly go around and push it down. Remember, if there's a bubble or an imperfection, now's the time to back it up before you put it all the way on. So make sure you are happy with the way it is looking. Slow, apply pressure, not too much because then we'll have a broken Apple Pencil. That would make a good video too, but not today. So here it is, it's halfway done. Let's finish it up. I just warmed this up so I could get the adhesive, the seam here nice and close, because as you can see, you really can't see it. You can't really even see the seam anymore because I got it pretty darn good. See, there it is right there. You can see it. Unless you're looking directly at it, it's not even noticeable. All right, so this is starting to really shape up to look like a pencil. We just have the tip left. This is the eraser part, which there's a handful of steps to this one. So let's go ahead and take our time and do it correct. We take this, peel it off, and we put it on. The only part left that doesn't look like a pencil is the tip. And they actually gave us there a couple tips that we can go ahead and use. So you can see those. I'm going to actually start with the medium one, the one in the middle. The directions suggest you start with the smallest one, but basically go through and you put this on and you cover the tip until you're happy. You're like, hey, that fits. I'm okay with that. So there's that. As you can see, there's a little bit of white coming through, and this is what you're gonna get if you go for the medium tip. So I'm gonna say, I don't want the medium tip. I want the bigger one. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put this on there and see how this fits, if it's any better of a result. And I'm feeling like it is what it is at this point, guys. This is the product, and this is the end result. I'm gonna go ahead and use my finger to smooth that out. Now, they did send a microfiber cloth if you wanna use that to smooth out the edges. I think my edges look pretty good, pretty amazing. I'm really happy with this. So here it is. Doesn't affect the charging at all. Came right up. When you put the Apple Pencil on right there, the little notification comes up, easy peasy, no issues. So this is it. You want a pencil, an actual number 2 looking pencil for your iPad Pro. This is for the Apple Pencil 2. Looks phenomenal. You got the wood, the silver, the yellow paint. You got your eraser. It's a number 2 pencil. It's unique. It's different. Not everybody is going to have it. Everyone's got an iPad. Everyone's got an iPad Pro. But do they have an Apple Pencil? And do they have a number 2 looking Apple Pencil brought to you by Dbrand Skins? All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. For the Love of Tech appreciates your support. If you like what you saw and you like what you heard, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video a lot. Give me a thumbs down if you didn't like the video a lot. For the Love of Tech, thanks for watching. Till next time, namaste.